Okay. Hi, welcome back to Clark to Superman. Hi, my name is Mayu Sampath, and you are here to learn how to plan. Now we are coming to the planning side of the game. Okay, and very important for us to understand is the positioning size. Sizing is very important. Now, today morning we had this particular wonderful session of how we want to and how what is our program for the next 1 year, how we want to go about it. But please understand, when you want to plan into the future, okay, you need to understand what has to be done today, how we are going to work on a day-to-day basis to achieve our goal of reaching a particular target. So this is very good. It's very important for you to understand this. So let me take you through this particular thing. The important thing is about the positioning size. So positioning size is nothing but how much you are going to put into the market. Means what will be your input. Like here we see you want to catch a fish, right? So how much you are going to give it to the market. Okay, what is your readiness of giving to the market to earn from the market? Again, you have to first to give a bait. Now what do you mean by bait? Is आपको वो मच्छी का एक हुक के लिए एक वर्म रखना पड़ेगा. You will need that worm, okay, so that it is like simple. You need to have the margin with you first of all. Okay, you need money to come into the market. So you will have to give the bait first. You will have to, when you buy something, you need money. So important thing is you will need money in your account. Okay, now how much money is the most important? How much money you need? That is the most important thing. How much money? Now if you are buying something, okay, if you buy something, then you only need your premium. You only need to put in the money, whatever is the premium, what is there. Okay, but in case you want to sell, then you need complete margin, which is right now at the very high side. Initially the margins were really low, okay, but since the volatility is high, the margin need is more. That means approximately anything between 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees will be needed depending on your brokerage, broker account. You will need this type of margins to play the game. Now the margin goes down if you are using a bracket order. Okay, why? Because here all the three orders will go at one single time. That means your buy order is going, or a sell order is going, your stop loss order is going, and your target also goes. So technically you are having the clear understanding of how much money you will need to enter the market, and this is very important. How much money you will need. That means when you are thinking about the position size also, okay, here the money required will depend on how much you are actually entering it. Like, let me take an example for this. Suppose you are buying a 100 rupees stock, okay, and your stop loss is say 4 rupees. Okay, so is your earning around 108 or 1010? Now if your earning is 102 or 103, then this is a wrong way of doing business. Then this is a wrong way of doing business, because this is not going to work. You are giving 4 rupees to the market, okay, to earn 3 rupees, ये business कभी नहीं चलने वाला है. You need to earn 8 rupees, 10 rupees if you are willing to give a 4 rupees. That means 2 is to 1 ka trade. That means technically you need to have a risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio minimum 1 is to 3 to 1 is to 4 or more, the better. Intraday mein the whole game is different. Intraday mein the whole game is different, but otherwise you need to have this type of ratios to make money. Intraday mein also 1 is to 2 is supposed to be taken, but even 1 is to 1 is still okay. 1 is to 1 is still okay, right? So over here, the most important thing for every trade, okay, whether you are in a FNO, whether you are in options, here it is very clear. As far as our option is concerned, we do not give more than 5,000 rupees. Our max to max is 10,000 rupees, depending on the position size of an individual. But to start with, you have to compulsory go with your smaller stop losses. Why we are putting a very small stop losses? It's very clear that we want you to stay in the market for a long period of time. So your survival will depend whether your account is safe. Okay, अभी आप ऐसा सोचोगे, अरे मेरे पास तो बहुत पैसा है, I will use another account and I will put in the money. Then that means the whole psychology of coming in this market will go kaput. Okay, I have seen lot of businessmen, including doctors, who have lot of money, okay, because they are earning over there in their particular profession, and then they come over here, they will do the masti, okay, thinking that that is their time pass, and the whole account get wiped out, and they don't feel a pinch about it because the earning over other side is really good, and we are very happy for such type of people coming in the market. Why? Because they are the one who are going to donate their money to us, because we as a profession, we are looking for such type of entries. आने दो, हम लोग को तो अच्छा है. We are going to make money because they don't know what they are doing. That money is actually going to the professionals who know what they are doing. So this is very important for you guys. Boss, if you want to come to this market, you have to come with a heart and a mindset of a business. This is your business. Okay, if you come as a time pass, surely and steadily, slowly, your account size will go slowly and slowly down. And pata bhi nahi chalega. You will not even come to know when your account has gone down to 50% or less than 50%. Because you may think, oh, I am to learning. No, it is a part and parcel of the learning. No, it is fine. I can make losses. I can give this much to the market. And you will push yourself unnecessary, taking unnecessary trades, and that is going to create problems. There are two types of problem. One is, how the smoker smokes. Starting mein acha nahi lagta hai. Then once he starts smoking, he needs that, every time he needs that smoke. Without the smoking, he is not comfortable. So here you are in front of the machine. Okay. Now you have lost some money. Okay. Now when you lose some money, you will see, why I have lost the money. Okay. I need to take home the money. Somehow I need the money. Okay. And then you will take another trade, which is not required. You will take another trade, which is again not required. Now, all the second and the third trade, whatever you are taking, is unplanned. There is no planning. Okay. Just because you feel you are getting into the trade, practically you commit suicide, nothing else. Suicide of the money, whatever you are having, you are just going to give it back to the market. You may be lucky and you may earn money also, not a problem. But every now and then, if you have not planned the things in a correct fashion, you are giving to go to give the market continuously on a continuous basis. I am not telling you to be afraid, but I am telling you to be aware. There is a difference between being aware and a difference between afraid and there is a difference of not being able to pull the trigger. Totally three different things. But you should be aware what you are doing. And when the trade setup is telling you to buy something or sell something, you need to pull the trigger and go inside that particular setup. Okay, you cannot have revenge trade in this particular market. चलो बाय हो गया, अभी ये सेल में आ गया तो मैं सेल भी करूंगा, फिर अगेन बाय हो गया तो मैं बाय करूंगा. दिस इज लाइक मैडनेस. No, 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 you cannot do that. You have to be really disciplined enough to go with the flow of the market. Okay, if you are wrong, fine, good enough. Sit down, analyze what has gone wrong, what is the market doing, and then take a conscious decision. Okay, this will be my stop loss. This is where the price is trying to go. I am taking a call and I want to make money out of it. Right? And again, I am saying we have been in this particular thing together. Okay, and so many times I have given the trade, but virtually no trades been taken by you guys. So you will have to pull the trigger. Okay, I am also taking trades, not a problem. So whatever it is, you need to pull the trigger when the time comes and not to do any masti in terms of what is to be done. So first, what is most important over here is, what is most important, that your entry has to be correct, where you are going to buy. Okay, you know where I am going to get wrong. If I am wrong, sometimes the setup is going to give you some wrong signal and it is still okay to get exit. So you need to know your exit, how you are going to exit. You are going to trail your your profits, or you are going to trail your stop losses. Whatever you are doing, you need to know your exit, how you are going to exit. And you should know your techniques of how to buy and sell, So when we come back again, please log in as early as possible. I am taking only such time where that recording starts. Okay, because if I am starting early, then it is getting messed up. So I just need to have 5 minutes to let the recording start at the background, and then I can send you the new username password. Okay, so just to get the flow in the right fashion, the only thing now we want to understand now is what is the position size and how we should be going about. Okay, so today the next lecture we are going to talk about position sizing. Okay, so join in immediate as we are switching over to the position size. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next episode.